There are 5 regional juries having 5 members each, which have viewed a number of films for more than a month. The central jury had 11 members, including the chairperson, and they have screened the films chosen by the regional panel for the last 16 days. The jury for the non-feature films had 7 members, including the chairperson, and they have viewed the non-feature films for more than 10 days. The jury on the best writing on cinema had 3 members, including the chairperson. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the jury members for the hard work put in by them for choosing the award winners. I would also like to inform that the Dada Saheb Phalke Award would be announced later. So I would now request each of the jury chairpersons to announce the awards in their respective sections, starting from the best writing on cinema. Over to you, Gangadhar Mudliarji.
National Film Award for the year 2022. Best writing on cinema. Best writing on cinema. Now, the Best Film Critic Award. 1 lakh rupees cash prize and Swarna Kamal Award. Critic is Deepak Duha. Hindi. Best Film Critic Award goes to Deepak Duha. 1 lakh rupees cash award and Swarna Kamal Award. Now, the best book on cinema goes to Kishore Kumar, The Ultimate Biography by author Aniruddha Bhattacharya and Parthiv. Publisher HarperCollins Publisher. Thank you.
Namaskar. Thank you so much for joining us. I think in the ripe of non-feature, documentary short films, I think we had a privilege to see wonderful films from all over the country. I had interesting colleagues to finalize all the films' name. Not that other films were not great, but these are some of the best film what we choose. So I'll start with from below, which is special mention. The jury had chosen 2 films. The first one is Biruwala, which to Padma Shri. It's an Assamese film, produced by M.E. Barua Production Society, director M.E. Barua. Second one is Hagila, The Greater Agent Stock. It is also Assamese film, producer PI Entertainment, director Partha Sarthi Mohant. Now comes to main section. Best script, Mono Noa Aware. It's in Hindi and English. Script writer Kaushik Sarkar. Best narration, voiceover, goes to some. It's one of the finest film I've ever seen in documentary section in India. Murmurs of the Jungle. It's a Marathi film. Narrator Sumant Sinde. Best music direction, I think we all can predict. I mean, we have been hearing his music all around. Fursat, Leisure in Hindi, music director Vishal Bhardwaj. Best editing, it's a very interesting short film. Madhyantara, Intermission, it's a Kannada language film. Editor Suresh Suresh Urs. Best sound design, Yan, Vehicle, Hindi and Malawi language, sound designer Manas Chaudhary. Best cinematography, again, it's Mono No Aware, it's in Hindi and English, cinematographer Siddharth Diwan. Best direction, which is another beautiful film we saw. It's a Bengali, Hindi, English. From the Shadow, director Mariam Chandi Menacheri. Sorry if if I'm pronouncing wrong. So Mariam Chandy. Best short film up to 30 minutes. Again, the pronunciation is difficult. It's a Ohomia name. Unyota. So that's Xunyota. I mean, we call it Shunyota. It's Sunyota actually, but they pronounce like that. It's producer HM Production, director Navapan Deka.